after almost 2 years of our marriage, we're finally going and it's happening. So let's go.
And it goes a little something like.
How are you feeling, Nadipani?
Thank you so much.
हम लोग नीचे आए और शुरुआत हुई. ऑटो वाला बोला लगेज नहीं रख लेता करके, तो
ईसा
ईसा जानू चतर मतर.
शुरू करेंगे. थुक 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 शुरू करेंगे. हाँ जी नहीं
So finally we got the cab and we hopped in. That's my cute too. We're going for vacation.
मम्मा का बेटा ब्लॉगर बेटा. Yes. Please clap. Yes.
better than bike me.
Around 9:30, 10 o'clock-ish, we left and our TT had arrived at the main road. So we were all packing and leaving.
Videographer.
Don't mind the chaos.
चाबी चाबी घर का चाबी. So it's around 10 o'clock something and we are leaving. Join in for the journey.
Where is the temple?
ये हमारी beautiful सी सवारी जिसमें हम लोग निकले बिस्मिल्लाह पढ़ के.
अंदर आ जम्मा. ए स्टेपन देख इसके.
And around 2 baje something we were having this biryani snack at some point of Tamil Nadu. It was amazing. उस अच्छी खासी बिरयानी के बाद में एक लंबा नैप लेके we got up. Good morning, hello जी hello, and we were almost reaching the destination. And हम लोग थके हारे और ब्रेकफास्ट करके we were almost reaching. My baby got up. It was a good morning, and then finally we reached Kanyakumari. ये है हमारा पहला लोकेशन. We are so damn excited. जितनी गर्मी लग रही थी उतनी एक्साइटमेंट भी चल रही थी दिमाग में.
Finally we came to Kanyakumari.
After the long struggle and the long.
Yeah. Oh, currently we are going to the beach. So we'll see how the beach looks. Ignore this stuff.
Family.
So this is Kanyakumari, where 3 oceans meet at the same point. It was also very important for the sunrise and sunset. यहाँ पे यही देखने आते हैं लोग. And we also decided to first hop into the boat ride. That was my plan because the receptionist of our hotel came and told कि 4 बजे बंद हो जाएगा करके. So I was the one who initiated. Later on I regretted it.
Ferry ride.
I'll tell you why.
लोग टिकट लेने जा रहे हैं.
मैं गुम्बल में जाना से अलग अलग चढ़ देना चाहिए. वो बात
हाँ.
So lunch time के लिए बहुत बड़ी queue थी. Once the lunch time was open and it all got empty all at once.
आ रहा दो डुएल तक.
Watch पकड़ती हूँ मैं ये सिर्फ.
दोनों बोलो.
So yeah, I came for the boat ride. So उसका नाम है तिरुवल्लुवर.
Okay.
So he rides दोहे, you know, दोहे Rahim Kabir Das. So in Tamil it says Tirupur. So he rides Tirupur. So he's a Tiruvalluvar. ये दो मुंडे हैं क्या?
At this point in the boat, I was panicking like hell because यहाँ पे एक बच्चे लोग के लिए safety jacket नहीं है. So don't take your babies if you are really concerned about their safety. Because of which man's right 11 kicked in very hard. Any which ways reached, enjoyed this glass bridge. Oh my god, I was freaking out. You could literally see the water waving out.
ठीक है. Ready?
Once we cross the bridge, we get to go inside the statue And अंदर इतना ठंडा था, सुकून था. I don't know why. It was very chill and calm inside. And then there were 2 to 3 floors of steps which we had to climb. And finally पहुंच गए हम. We did some cute photo sessions. बारिश का मौसम जैसा था, जिसके वजह से हवाएं बहुत ज़्यादा चल रही थी और बोट उस तरफ पुश हो रहा था, हालांकि स्ट्रेट जाने के बदले. दैट kicked my anxiety levels very hard. Can you imagine? Always carry a water bottle or something to drink because अंदर वहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है and we have to come back. ये fish market है जहाँ पे extremely fresh fish instantly fry करके देते हैं. You just go to eat only fish, fried fish. Don't eat rice, don't eat roti, don't eat anything. You get many options but only eat fried fish over here.
So guys, we had the fish. It was okay. Taste was, but the fish was fresh. Maybe we eat a different fish. Maybe we didn't.
So we are not
like the
used to
taste.
this type of freshness in fish.
But the fish was very fresh.
Very.
You guys can come and try here.
अभी भी भीड़ बहुत है. People are just coming in. I mean, actually, they're not even caring about the taste. खाली वो freshness fish की.
कुछ बोलो ऐसा. एक प्रॉब्लम है बोले ना, बीट डेंजरस. ऐसा नहीं है ये, ऐसा है एकदम से
मालूम stick.
समझ में आ रहा है. So guys, अब हम आए हैं हमारे होटल के रेस्टोरेंट पे. आप देख ही सकते
Hi. We were hungry and it was raining, so we just hopped in and yes, we're excited to eat.
हैं. तो guys, हम सनसेट देखने आए. सनसेट अभी तक आया नहीं. सनसेट चल ना, सनसेट सनराइज क्या विषय है वहाँ.
सुबह के 4:30 something we got up and we came. All this man and
जी हाँ, तो हम सनराइज़ देखने आए थे. सनराइज़ तो मिला नहीं बिकॉज इट वॉज ऑलमोस्ट रेनी, बारिश. बट वी एंजॉयड लाइक क्रेजी. सो वी checked out from the hotel and we started traveling to Kerala and the destination New York. And यहाँ पे हम लोग एंजॉय करते हुए जाते हुए. And ये baby hairs मेरे flyaways was irritating me. I almost remembered कि I wish I could have clipped it करके. We had this lovely lunch in the mess. It was all authentic, but amazing.
देखिए पीछे कैमरा बच्चा. ईसा हमारा लंच हो गया. वी हैड अ गुड मील और अब चाय ब्रेक. सिमो
So our driver took a different route just for us to enjoy these scenic views, and it was amazing, breathtaking views. और जी हाँ, हंसते खेलते गाते मजाक उड़ाते हुए हम लोग पहुँच गए वर्कला. We went explored a beach. बारिश हो गई, हाई एल्टीट्यूड की वजह से वापस भाग के आ गए. Finally we checked into our room and ये कुछ ऐसा लगा. तो भूख लग रही थी जब तक बिरयानी बना रहे थे ऑल द बॉयज. हम लोग बैठ के क्यूकम्बर्स और रॉ मैंगो खा रहे थे और भैया क्यूटली रॉ मैंगो ला के दिए सानिया को. इट वाज सो रोमांटिक, यू सी. एंड वी वर एंजॉयिंग. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, इट वाज अ ब्यूटीफुल नाइट, लिटरली. प्लीज से माशाल्लाह, प्लीज से माशाल्लाह. अल्लाह नजरे बद से बचाए. And we played some badminton. मैं जीजू नदी दी everyone. And then some dancing. Alhamdulillah. We literally forgot our steps. Oh my god. That's भैया and Panu. Panu was shying. And that's D and G too. Oh my god, can someone cheer them please? And then we played some musical chair. Mashallah, mashallah. Guess who won, okay? Guess. हम लोग कन्याकुमारी से चेकआउट करके वी केम टू वर्कला एंड देन दिस द स्टे. Today we'll check out, and yesterday we were so much tired after the travel, so I didn't vlog anything much. We're going to the beach now, but I'll show you the property or the place where we're staying. And this is the space. This is like a cottage house, and we got each houses. And this is the garden area. That's the kitchen. And this is one space that we were staying, and that's inside is messy. And then that's my husband. That's the play area. There's a hammock and 2 swings. And kal raat ko I fell in that swing. It was a bad fall, by the way. We'll add a few more clips. Isabi.
Come, हमें follow करो.
Now Nadi will take over. Nadi will take over. Explain.
Boat, you have
Volleyball area.
volleyball area,
Or you can play badminton.
shower.
Yeah, and then there's this shower area. We can play in that pond and come and take shower
Show there.
here.
Show there, baby.
That's Nadi's sister, Jiju. Yeah, that's the kitchen. It's a beautiful kitchen. Bhana ja rahi? Okay. That's Nadi's dad. My husband's dad. In the kitchen. There's a beautiful lake.
हम आगे.
Careful with the baby, Papa.
नदो खड़ा ना पूरे भी हंस आया पकड़ा उन्होंने के मोबाइल में मुना पकड़ रहे तब हमें पकड़ ली.
So we are here for a chat spot and we're almost reaching the beach.
So guys, finally we came to Black Sand Beach.
Yeah, and it's very hot. Very, very,
Very boiling water.
This is Varkala Beach and we finally arrived. Pani mein khele and we enjoyed. This is the beach was my love and beach will always be my love. Don't mind. ऐसे हालत में vlog कर रही हूँ. Bear with me.
देखो जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी. Simple. Nabu. Apu.
This was the last boat ride before we check out from Kerala, Varkala. And this was our last day of our trip ending. And the view was amazing. Until the beach se I needed just quickly changed, got freshened up, and then we hopped into this. So I didn't record much. Whatever footages I took it on the boat itself directly. And we were trying to take our best shots of the view. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. So we're now leaving this space and now heading back to home. And that's what's happening. We went for the beautiful boat ride and then we went. That's our TT. Hamara caravan sawari. And we are here at Anantavalam Kaveri Elephant Park.
उसके साथ क्या भी नहीं करना ना तो कटकेश मार डालता हूँ
हो जा दे दे जा
Mari elephant.
Go touch
सिर पर रखता से जा.
That's the elephant देखिए. Now we went ahead and saw a snake. So beautiful art. That's the elephant dung. I don't know what do you call it.
खा जा फिर तोड़ता तो खसीमा खसीमा खींचता तो खींच को छिलको लगाना खाना खतोर पर पाऊं पर रखो
स्विमिंग पूल देख रहा हूँ नहीं ए हाथी के वजह से हुन थाला
आइस
कौन देखो जिनके
हाय बेबी
देखो पकड़ो आए पकड़ो पकड़ो पकड़ो
पापा डर रहा है ना
नहीं पकड़ो
कैमरा शाही कहते हैं ना भाग रहा
नीचे नीचे
खड़ा इधर इधर खड़ा इधर
उधर खड़ा
सिर को उठा लेता
क्या देखा तो इधर या crab giant gourmet ऊपर लिखा दो catfish polar blue parrot and albin खुला रखो है ना जी alligator ही है क्या लिखा है
एलिगेटर गारफिश
garfish इनसे खुला रखो इनसे तो खा लेते हो ना
क्लैप अस्सलाम वालेकुम खैरियत भैया
नहीं क्लैप करना है
ये
हेलो दियो हेलो हेलो
हेलो
So that we headed home. This was around 2 a.m. when we took a chai break, and the driver was also sleepy, so we asked him to take a nap. Meanwhile, we were sitting drinking chai, pani, soda, वगैरह. And somehow, we reached Bangalore. And Bangalore के मजे लेते हुए, ट्रैफिक में enjoy करते हुए. That is me. तो फाइनली हम लोग पहुंच गए घर. ईसा इज ड्रिंकिंग हिज मिल्क एंड डैडी इज स्लीपिंग एज यू कैन हियर. मे बी अभी ऑलमोस्ट I'll take a nap and I'll get up because it's a long journey. So I want you to like, share, subscribe and also comment and share it like my vlog. Okay, Hafiz.
What's the name in it?